Hello and welcome. I'm here again. Now I have Husqvarna 120E electric battery on battery. Yes, this is the battery, I guess. Yes, I think to buy cheap stove, very cheap, and I look and that cheapest stove I find that was not so cheap like that Husqvarna. Very strange. So it's a big battery. And I guess this is the charger. Oh. Yes. And the saw. And little box. More books. And books. A lot of books. Yes, it's some Swedish also. Very, very light. But with the battery in, maybe not so light, but... Yes. And... it are little bigger battery to buy to this saw, but this is maybe the smallest you can get that's working. Very simple. Easy, very easy. Almost empty. Noise. And here we have power switch, I guess. Where is power? And we have economic mode. Very light. "12" This is very easy. Very easy so. And if I buy a cheap saw on a low price market, so I cannot get it cheaper than this. It's more expensive. It's a little strange. But Husqvarna have a very nice price when I buy this. So I get it for almost the half of the price. I'm happy and I will try this in the future and show you how this works. So, thanks for watching this time and welcome back.